Here we have one more question related to network of capacitors. You can see in this circuit, a network of 5 capacitors is connected with a battery of 100 volt. So search the battery. Okay, you can see that you can identify the battery with the help of one bigger terminal and one smaller terminal, or with the help of simply the value written in voltage. So this is the battery and all these are capacitors. The values are printed over the capacitors. So there are 5 capacitors in all. We are asked to calculate net capacitance and total charge or net charge. Procedure is the same. We have to always find the net capacitance across the battery only. That means battery is here, that means first point is here and second point is here. So what we do always, from the positive side of the battery we start taking the charge till the time the charge flows same, that part of the circuit is in series, and if the charge gets divided and added again, then that part of the circuit is in parallel. So let us start. Suppose we take Q charge from here, it will flow through C4, then it will get two paths. So the charge has to divide here. Suppose Q1 goes through this branch till here, and suppose remaining part, that means Q2 goes in the upper branch till here. So that means Q1 and Q2 have reached here, they will be added again here and they will be moving back to the battery. So Q1 plus Q2 means Q has been received by the battery again. Now you must have noticed that the Q2 charge entered here also, here also. That means this is confirmed that these two capacitors are flowing the same charge. So these two capacitors are in series. And how to solve the series answer? The resultant answer in series combination by reciprocal addition. So we will find the reciprocal addition of these two. So the formula says 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So C1 and C2's net answer, let us name C12. That means the answer of only this branch. We can name it C dash also or any other name. So we can, suppose we have named it C12. So 1 by C12 equal to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. We have to solve this by taking LCM. 60 into 30, suppose LCM. 60 plus 30 in the numerator. Finally, if we simplify it, the answer will be obtained 1 by 20. So 1 by C12 answer is 1 by 20. That means C12 answer is only 20 microfarad. Now because we have solved these two capacitors, so whenever we solve a part of the circuit, we have to replace it by single capacitor with its value. So the two capacitors are now replaced by single capacitor. And what is the name of that single capacitor? The net answer of these two. So C12 is the name and value is 20, which we have obtained for these two. Now again we have to further simplify it. So whatever charge was flowing through the battery, it got divided here. Q1 went here and Q2 went here, and then again Q2 and Q1 added. So that means whenever the charge gets divided somewhere and gets added at the other point, that means that two branches are in parallel. So 20 and 40 are in parallel. So the parallel answer is obtained by direct addition. Let us name this capacitor now C123. So suppose the answer of these two is C123 and answer will become 20 plus 40 means 60 microfarad because they are in parallel. Now we have to replace these two by single capacitor. We will name it C123 and the value is 60 obtained. So you can see we have simplified the circuit till here. After that now battery is here and first, second, third, three capacitors are shown. So again, if we take the charge from the battery, whatever charge flows through C4, that only flows through C1, 2, 3, and that only flows through C5. That means same charge flows through all the three capacitors. No branch is coming in between. That means no two paths the charge is coming across. That's why these two are in series. Series answer is obtained by reciprocal addition. So 20, 60 and 10 are the values. So 1 by 20, 1 by 60, 1 by 10. Let us take LCM. Simplify it. So the answer is obtained 6 microfarad for the C net. That means the net answer of these three. So no other capacitor is left. We have solved the C net answer 6 microfarad. So net capacitance is obtained. I think you have understood. Next step is total charge. So always total charge formula is Q equal to CV. That means total C into total V. Total C we have obtained 6 micro and V is 100. So finally 600 micro coulomb. Because we have solved now charge, so micro is the prefix. We will let it remain as it is. And in place of farad, now we have to write the coulomb because now we have solved the charge. So this way we always simplify the circuits given for the capacitors.